Hi, my name is Karen Arara Sandoval, the Orientation Institute. Comprehend Intelligence. My tutor is Danilo Cárdenas. Name course is Valuation and Negotiation Technology. Number group is 44. Uh, um, 20 October 2020. 2020. This is the problem 3. The problem is its access processing time. The causes. Not knowing that you can register as the trademark. Matter financial. Lack of experience. Not knowing where to start. What is presented is not my own. Incomplete requirements. No GFX. Registration refusal. Cost processes registration. Not knowing the processes. Um, Legal sanction. Um, Legal sanction. Delay. Um, and for registration rejection. Um, Recommendation. The application process must the follow uh, to see what stars it is in as trade secrets are not registered. The recommendation for companies is to by the competition. And thank you.